Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. So on this particular video, I want to share with you how you can make a unique voiceover. If you've ever wondered how content creators do videos where you get to listen to their voice and it's as though there are more than two people talking, then this is a video that will help you. You will learn how to create such voiceovers. Follow through, guys. So the first thing to do is to go to your CapCut, upload a video you want to actually work with. You pick the number of videos you want to work with, then you click on add. After that, you now get to silence the voice, because I mean you're doing the voice over, right? So you get to reduce the volume of those videos that you've selected earlier on. So after adjusting all of it, then you go ahead to record. So if you're familiar with CapCut, you know you have to go to audio to get the record, the voiceover option. So once you've clicked on it, you get to record whatever it is you want to say. After you're done with that, then once that is done, you save. So it's going to appear on the actual video. Then you get to increase the volume. After that, you listen to what you're actually saying. It's okay, good and fine. Then you move ahead to create another record, another voiceover. So go ahead to create another voiceover. You follow through the first step that you used in creating the first one. Then after that, you click on save. You go ahead to increase the volume as we did in the first one. After doing that, then guys, this is where the work comes in. You see that particular voice record you just recorded? Bring it down just as you're seeing on the screen. Once you bring it down, this is what it's going to sound like once you're done. On some important points. So guys, let's dive right into it. So this is what you continue doing till the end of the particular video you want to edit. You can as well do a full-time record, like a one-time record of whatever it is you want to say. After that is done, then you start breaking it, meaning you have to split them so as to get the results. But if you're not comfortable with that, you can as well do this particular one as you're seeing on the screen. This is not really a hard thing to do. Just make sure to adjust properly where necessary. Just as you're seeing on the screen, guys, if you have any questions, if you're not clear about one thing, do well to drop in the comment section. Tell me where you think it's actually confusing or where you feel I didn't explain it well. Just drop that in the comment section. So guys, that's it for this particular video. I really do hope that you learned something new. Do well to, once you're done with your voiceovers, cross-check properly to make sure that everything is perfectly placed well. There is no breakpoint at the end of the video. Remember, you're doing a video that everyone is going to see, so it has to be perfect. Once that is done, make sure to save, and good luck in your video. I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Kindly click the subscribe button, like, comment, share. See you guys in my next one. Bye for now.